When it comes to luxury and something a bit different, check out the new 2024 Buick Envision ST Sport Touring with all-wheel drive. First of all, the color, smoky amethyst. We got a 2-liter turbo, 9-speed auto, 28 miles per gallon highway, 20-inch blacked out wheels wrapped in Continental all-season tires. Now, we got roof racks. You can put cargo up there. Also, inside, we have heated front driver and passenger leather. We have our center console here. We have our controls here for our radio on the center stack, wireless charging. Of course, we have our plug-in here for USB connectivity, 12 volts of power, climate control here. Google capable, also with Alexa. Full, huge monolithic piece of glass for our cockpit, leather-wrapped steering wheel, hands-free controls, billet pedals for accelerator and braking. In the back, more of that luxury of that leather interior, plenty of leg room, USB hubs, and rear air. Power liftgate is open. We also have a privacy curtain right here, storage underneath, and also we have our spare tire, lights in the back, of course, and 12 volts of power. Put down the second row, and we are ready for an adventure in luxury in our new 2024 Buick Envision all-wheel drive ST right here at Payne Weslaco Buick GMC. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.